Now we are going to discuss the topic magnetic separation. This magnetic separation applicable to ferromagnetic ores. How it works? Based on difference in the magnetic properties of ore and impurities. Magnetic separation used for, that is applicable to only ferromagnetic ores based on the different in the magnetic properties. This is the important point. Based on the different in the magnetic properties of ore and impurities, the ore is separated. For example, tin stone is separated from the wolframite impurities, which is magnetic. So tin stone is separated from the wolframite impurities, which is magnetic. Another example, chromite pyrolusite having magnetic property can be removed from the non-magnetic siliceous impurities. Tin stone is separated from the wolframite impurity, which is magnetic. Chromite and pyrolusite having magnetic property, this can be removed from non-magnetic siliceous impurities. So this is the important thing. Then next one, the crushed ore is poured electromagnetic separator consisting of a belt moving over two rollers of which one is magnetic. Here the crushed ore is poured. This is the electromagnetic separator consisting of two rollers. One wheel is magnetic wheel. Okay. Electromagnetic separator consisting of a belt moving over two rollers of which one is magnetic. This electromagnetic separator consisting of two rollers. One roller is magnetic character, magnetic wheel. This is the magnet moving belt. The magnetic, when you pour the ore, the magnetic, it is moving over this belt. The magnetic ore is attracted towards the magnet and falls close to the magnetic region, but the non-magnetic part falls away from it. So the crushed ore is poured. The electromagnetic separator consisting of two rollers. One is magnetic wheel. When you poured the ore, crushed ore, the ore is moving towards the belt, moving over the belt. The magnetic part of the ore is gets deposited near the magnetic part and non-magnetic part falls away from it. So the magnetic part of the ore is attracted towards the magnet and falls close to the magnetic ore. Non-magnetic part falls away from it. Thank you.